Mbia mano sana mwanchi mulia gitaseni kia Ndizi TV na wasemere kwa na kwa beri kugutwara oboligelia obiyaime gitaseni kiga nebiro binde nendengo kwaligania SMS ya mangana maya elindengo manye na reyabere kago kolekana kurwa chingongo chonsi inye chinsi astinse mochi che mitandao asense mo ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bega sense meria YouTube na bagotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News asense mo ya website na bagotonyara gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke Eritrea na Fridah Kerubo na stinse mochi biarkaile ni gotukubwatenere Joshua Auta chinga kitorote ase orogongorwa usie mugavana Paul Simbarati agendete kwerobelia ase okoena na chi wheelchair ase egetiye chigosori kia Gusii Stadium na baigo nigo omusangirikano ogendete ase ogosemia abantu chinchira cyokulinda ebitwetanene anene mono ase ensemeli yo gutumika ebintu bye plastic nabaiga sensemeli ya nyacheki subwo nigo abanyanyimbo baikirana sensemeyo eli gukora obutuki anamono ayaniga gocha magaga y'abantu bane gusiria obugima bwabo kubwatikana no kungusana na igoro yendemera sinsemo chinde omonogeri bwebunge nene Moses Wetangula nigo bono abolire abarayibe chidini agwesokya bene nabaigo gosemia abantu igoro yo kunyoma n'abasacha sabasacha nabaigo gutanga ebikoro binebyo ase ebinyoro asabaga kwene kibuna nigo ebyo byaberi bikoletwa nechimbwa chimbe manje muri karansa oike elinde ngomanye ase nchira iyo bwenge tobasa kusika tobasa kwanyegera ngwira nanda segekeke Kerubo sio elinde ngomanye amange chaka kegima Amayia ya Chinsa Isano na Ibere nigo chakira county ya Kisii asingo kumanyuna nigo mugavana Paul Simbarati aeroberete bene ase okwene kimnanko na nale chi wheelchair gochia ase balibale no balema ase egetige chigosori kia Gusii Stadium
kwa kufikiria that our people kule nyumbani wanahitaji usaidizi. La pili, nichukue nafasi ni school the Walkabout Foundation, and indeed it is the Walkabout because wameleta ile vifaa na kuja kusaidia watu wetu wa walk around. Thank you very much.
Kubatikana no kungusana na igoro yendemero okukwererete abantu bane gusiria obugima bwabo nigo abanyanyimbo baikirana asensemeli ya subwo yo gotoka sensemeli ya Transmara eli gukora obutuki nigo bane kibuna nigo abange babere bagusiria obugima bwabo kubatikana nendemereyo asibagendete kurya abantu 15 na babere kubatikana nebikorekyo kolende nigo bane kiribuna nigo bali batenenete asensemo yendemero baikira na stinseme cyo nabigo kwene kiendemereyo ne yango.
We are today to demarcate the land which has been having an issue of a boundary and ownership, whereby there was a lot of there was killings in this place probably 2 weeks ago.
Kila kitu sasa wameweza kuhakikisha records mashamba wakati iliwekwa 1969 records zinasema hivyo na kwa ground mipaka vile iliwekwa imekuwa intact.
One of the owners of the land who is still in the morgue, we have urged the family to sit down and have an agreement, and we have shown them the place of interment so they can be able to inter their loved one.
Kila moja haritike kwa ile kidogo ngawa labda maybe there's no equality, it may not be equal, but we are saying for the sake of peace haya mambo tuyaombe ili watu wapate amani.
Abaraibe chidini nigo bairanirwe mbia muno ase okoene kinaboigo koralia omurembe Chinsa mo chionsi okwana ase omusangirikano yobereko gokorekana ase lituko lya kabirerero nigo abakristo naboigo ase nsemo y'abaislamu baba gwikirana ase omusangirikano yo asabene kibuna ekiringa kyabe kenene no koreta abantu amo naboigo koene kya gose gotanga ogotaiwanana.
Religion is heavily implicated in conflict, and so we try, even if there's conflict or there's no conflict, there are different contexts in different countries, but when we use religious leaders, for example, Christians and Muslims together, our understanding is that they can be able to come together to either resolve a conflict that is already there.
Sina nje na support ya washikadau kama Prokomura ili tukaweze kuwasaidia watu wetu. Na hivi leo kwa neema ya Mungu Prokomura wanaweza kupata nafasi ya kuja kutufundisha mambo ya kuzuia misoso. Na
madhumuni ya dini yote ni kupendana na kuishi kwa amani na kufanya mambo yetu kwa njia taratibu. Kwa hivyo huu ushirikiano umezaa matunda ya muda mrefu, kwa sababu kuna kuaminiana kwanza kati ya waumini wa dini mbalimbali. Ya pili, dini zote inatuelekeza kama binadamu kwa kufanya matendo mema, na matendo mema inazaa umoja.
Omonogeli bunge nene Moses Wetangula nigo abolire chidini gosemia abantu abo bate ebirengerere byo gochakia enyomo abasacha nabiga basubati ase abasubati okwana nigo ayene kibina ikine chimbwa chimbe cyabere gosoa ase ya Kenya ase abolia obosemia korwegwa kegima.
Ambayo mjadala inaendelea. Unajua sasa zingine ni ushakasa. Hata vile mmeketi umeona gavana na meli wameketi pamoja. Ni wanaume wawili. If Mary tries to lead on the governor atamwambia wewe unakaa namna gani? Lakini kama kungekuwa na mama amekaa hapo na huyo mama lead towards the governor, you see the governor leaning back. And this you don't need to be taught by anybody. It's natural instinct. Even beasts in the wilderness know the difference between male and female. Hata katiba yetu, Article 45, inasema the foundation of our society is a family, and the family shall be built by a person of the opposite sex coming together with another to found a family.
Unenjere moyo gukora omuchando wa mache nige serikali egendete kwirubiria wikiranu ase okwene kibna amache ngoikiranale ase chinsemo anene mono chiri chibwate omurakera gukwana nigo bene kibna babikire emirubiria bene ase obutumiki bwa technology enya elekwene ki amacha yungo ikiranale ase chinsemo chionsi.
Yeah, water, it has been a perennial problem in ourselves. Year in, year out, water has been an issue. So the focus of the government currently is to invest in water, not in water as water, but in water as an infrastructure. That is the focus of the current regime, and we are focused in actually doing water projects as an infrastructure rather than having water as water.
We must prepare a sustainable plan to ensure that we are preparing our people for the shocks that is coming up. A school like this one now, we only need to have one borehole, and groundwater abstraction, complete with the reticulation system, such that we have got enough water.
Tumeweza kuwakaribisha watu kutoka Wajia, Mandera, Garissa, Isiolo na kaunti zingine nyingi. Tumewakaribisha kwa ile rasilimali kidogo Mungu ametujalia, tumeweza kutumia pamoja kwa ukarimu. ningependa kuambia serikali kama kuna resources zinaletwa Tana River hususan Bura constituency tuweze kuangaliwa, kwa sababu tuko county 4 katika constituency.
Umugavana we county ya Nandi Stephen Sang nigo aboliri ababwatani wesokya nabayigo gusira kisemi anemono ase county ya Nandi okwana nigo aine kibuna nerebuya abamenyi be county yo gutwara obumanyi wekerengo kigoromono asokweneki obokoleri obuya asamatuko abosio.
Now, I want to ask you, Pastor Obey, maybe our country we need to think about the model of our schools. We adopted a model where we are girls schools and boys schools separately. Miaka minne watoto wa girls wanakaa kivyao. Miaka minne our boys are in our boys schools on their own. And sometimes you see some of these things that we are seeing today, they could be calculated from there. We have not seen anywhere across the globe where you are boys schools and girls schools. It's only a concept we picked as Kenya, but if you go elsewhere, watu wanasoma kwa sawa. Na mimi najua Sejero Adventist huko na mashule mingi kama kanisa, we want to ask you as a church, take keen interest in our schools. Look at how you can actually bring schools that bring on board boys and girls, so that we can be able to nurture them, knowing that we have to live together as boys and girls, because our society is made up of everybody. We can no longer continue.
Ikikaro ase ogokwanira igoro y'obulendi bw'ebitotanene nigo kyabereke gokorekana ase yasoalitko lya kabererero okwana nigo baba kwene kibuna obutumiki bw'ebintu bya plastic na kugo kwirira ogoncherera kwirire nabo igokoreta embeo embe kolinde nigo abantu basemigwa otugutachi chuba chichi plastic ase nchera ewenerete.
At the moment, wherever you are going to buy a product today, it will have some packaging. You will have to dispose that packaging. My request is that do not send it to the environment. Look for a bin where you can place it. Packaging thrown out there will find its way into our waste streams. It will find its way into our water streams. It will end up polluting. If you look at the mention, we said most of the packaging, if they're not biodegradable, they will stay in the environment in the next 50 to 100 years.
Prices of the carton, the paperboard are going up. Sometimes after the COVID pandemic, we had some hardships in importing the paperboard.
And they end up impacting all the flora and fauna that you see in the environment. You see a lot of fish, dying because of swallowing polythene papers. What you're saying is that polythene paper should not find its way into the sea or into the river. That is if you're doing what you're calling now responsible collection, which will be set up by the EPR schemes, because the EPR schemes will put a value on that polythene paper, which will make sure that it will come back for recycling.
The taxes are a bit high. So, but now there is a great dialogue in the government. So we are starting to see more.
Abamenyi be county ya Kisumu ase echiro ya Nyamlori niko baba kurubikana litko lya rero ase ebinte binge byaba bigosalika gokwana nigo bane kibuna nigo ebibande bibagokorera obonchiriri bwabo byaba bigotagorwa ase babulya eserikali gweswana nigatina bo igokoigwa ekerero kyabo.
Ile kazi tumepata, mnataka sasa kutu sacrifice on behalf of few individuals wenye mnakula nao, cartels wenye wanajulikana. Abala wanga mwenyewe kwa soko yenye tunataka kupelekwa ako na stalls, mpaka bibi wake ako na stalls. Wako na stalls huko. Ukiangalia deputy wake Mr. Charles ako na stalls hapo. Sasa chenye na wauma kwa hiyo soko imekataa kupika. Hakuna wenye wanapelekwa huko wanataka kubali kufanya biashara hapo. Na ni Abala wanga mwenyewe alijitokesha wazi na kusema kuwa hiyo soko ilijengwa na pesa nyingi na iwezi kaa tu hivyo bila watu ndani. Sasa wanataka kusacrifice Nyamlori because wanajua ni market ile ilisha develop na imeshika, wanataka kupeleka huko. Na wanatupeleka ndani ya cartels. Hiyo soko wakati tulikuwa tunapelekwa hapo ama hiyo wakati wenye walikuwa nagawa stalls, kuna watu wenye walikatana na panga hapo, ni kitu yenye tuko nayo. Walipelekwa mpaka hospitali, kuna majeruhi walipelekwa hapo. Mafundi wenye walikuwa wanafanya kazi hapo walipigana. Kuna vikundi hapa vinajulikana hapa Kisumu. Walipigana hapo. Sasa sisi tuko hapa na amani yetu, tunataka kutolewa kwenda kusuluhisha ile mahitaji ya wachache. Wamejenga mastalls, wanataka watu wa kwenda kurentisha. Hiyo ndio chenye inawasumbua na sisi. So Mr. Nyong'o, please, we are begging you as business people from Nyamlori Market, come out and honor the promise you gave us during the time you were campaigning.
Mwanchi muligereria kurwa sorboti uruni wana ikire omoelio wa mangana maya asevire biga kulende ngo sabatu basa konyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayuna mangiro nyara senchira iyo winge kulende nyara Chinsa mochiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara wetra Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara wetra Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyara wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke Magech kamera soko ene kibuna ebicha na baigo eliogira gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere nyanchama Abigail tobe tukubatanere Joshua Auta asensa mochi byorkelio na ncheria na Fridah Kerubo ngokoganelia obuligerelia obia.